US30 this week has made some kind of bullish breakout. We can see on Friday in the last week with this bullish candle, and the price returned back down with this bearish candle, which was suggesting that the price could return even more down. But the price on Tuesday did not return even more down. It has continued to rise in value. So there are no sellers enough strong to push the price even more down, because the bulls who have pushed the price above these price levels, they have took again their direction and pushed the price even more higher, and they have reached 38,904. On a Friday we can see some small sell-off because the traders of the indecision on the market, because of these strong bearish candles. There is some kind of uncertainty on the market, and the bulls who have pushed the price even higher to reach this price level, they have exited their trades on the Friday, which has triggered this some kind of small sell-off. On the weekly time frame, we can see this looks like indecision candle on the market, which means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. With the small body and the strong wicks on the upper and the low side, it suggests there is still indecision, and the sellers around 39,000, that's a round number, are pushing the price down and not allowing easily for the bulls to reach higher price levels. On the monthly time frame, this still looks as a bullish. The last 3 months were bullish, and this month looks also bullish, but we have 3 more weeks until this month ends. So any conclusion at this level on the monthly time frame is not correct to predict and also to make a conclusion. Everything should be on the lower levels, which means weekly and especially on the daily time frame. But for now, as it looks currently on the weekly time frame, we have indecision on the market. So everything can happen around 39,000, which is a round number, and below that it is 38,000, also as a round number. So the price was jumping between these two price levels. On the daily time frame, it is something that we need to watch, and that is 39,000 will be the next target for the bulls. But if the price goes below this one, which is 38,368, this will be a trigger that the price could return even down, reaching 38,000 as the first support level and the demand zone. Because we can see if the price breaks below, the next support level that the price could stop is this one here, because we have seen in the past that there was a conflict between the buyers and sellers at this price level. For now, as it looks, everything is still bullish. We can see the price is rising in value, but with the US30, we can see that currently something is changing on the market. The bulls do not have enough strength to move the price easily up, but we have seen in the past also. Here the price is trying to make sideways moving, making a range and not easily moving in any direction. So it is expected that also the price could stop here around this price level and bounce between these two price levels. So for now, as it looks, I am expecting that the price could drop a little bit more down around 38,570, and then could bounce above again, and then reaching 39,000, where I'm expecting that the price will bounce back down again because of this selling pressure that has been seen on the Friday. And also the sellers who will push the price to the 39,000, they will exit their trades to log their profits, which could be at the end of the next week. So if there is something happens, some kind of movement on the market that could suggest that the price could reach 38,000, that's a round number, first support level and demand zone, I will share that inside the daily analysis, inside the trading community, and also the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description, so if you would like to check, feel free to check it. That's all for this weekly analysis. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.